everyone, my name is Taylor Rae. I am a PRAVANA creator, and today I want to show you all a really fun VIVIDS Peach Fuzz look. For today's video, I wanted to create a fun peach-toned look based on this year's trending warm-toned colors. Since my model is already blonde, there is no need to lighten the hair. However, I still need to prep the hair for any vivid application. For this, I used 1 part Pure Light Power Lightener to 3 parts Zero Lift Developer, process for 5 minutes, then rinse out at the bowl with PRAVANA Intense Therapy shampoo. Starting in the back, I will begin by applying equal parts Sunstone and Clear Pastel at the base, then feathering it out 2 inches, working my way from top to bottom for clean sections. Next, for my color melt, I will use 2 alternating formulas to achieve a subtle dimension. Color 1 is 2 Cute Coral, and color 2 is equal parts 2 Cute Coral and Clear Pastel. Working in fine sections up the back of the head, I apply color 1 and color 2 in an alternating fashion, blending in to the base color of Sunstone. Here's a pro tip when applying VIVIDS. Always remember the 3-inch rule. You are going to want to apply a fresh brush of color every 3 inches down your section to ensure full and even color saturation. Now, for the styling, I wanted to add a soft texture to enhance the fun bob length of her haircut. I created flat waves by making an S pattern with each section, then feeding it through my straightener to make the desired shape while leaving the ends straight. Making sure to alternate the direction of the S shape on each section for added texture. Apply texture spray all over and shake out with your fingers to style as desired. Well, thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you learned a few fun tips and tricks that you can take back to your clients behind the chair. Don't forget, head to pravana.com for all of our amazing color knowledge. Follow me on Instagram at Taylor Rae Hair. I'll see you next time.